Hey there. I'm here to show you a step-by-step process to remove lice completely and, most importantly, to stop them from coming back. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The most effective and natural way to remove lice permanently is through manual removal. This is recommended by experts from the Centers for Disease Control, CDC, as one of the safest methods. Here's how to do it. Start by applying a generous amount of conditioner to dry hair. The thicker the better. Conditioner does two things. It stuns the lice and loosens the grip of the nits, lice eggs, from the hair strands, making them easier to remove. Use a regular comb to gently detangle the hair. This helps to avoid pulling or breaking the hair when using the fine-toothed lice comb. Now, grab your fine-toothed lice comb. Section the hair into small parts and start combing from the scalp down to the ends of the hair. Always do this over a white towel or sheet so you can see the lice and nits you're removing. Be sure to wipe the comb off after each pass to remove any lice caught in the teeth of the comb. The National Pediculosis Association suggests this step because it is a proven method to physically remove both lice and their eggs. Repeat. Comb each section at least 3 times, making sure no strand of hair is left unchecked. Remember, lice combs are specifically designed to grab the lice and nits, so thoroughness is key. The shampoo and oil method. If you want to use products as an additional precaution, there are over-the-counter lice shampoos that contain permethrin or pyrethrin. These are insecticides that target lice but are safe for humans. A study published by Harvard Medical School shows that these ingredients are effective, but they must be used according to instructions for best results. Here's how you can use these treatments. Follow the instructions on the lice treatment shampoo. Most require you to apply it to dry hair, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse. Tea tree oil option. Alternatively, or in addition, you can use tea tree oil mixed with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Tea tree oil has insecticidal properties, according to studies from the Journal of Parasitology Research, and can help repel lice. Massage a few drops of the oil mixture into your scalp and leave it for at least 30 minutes, then comb through. After using the shampoo or oil treatment, rinse the hair thoroughly and use the lice comb again to remove any remaining nits. Clean everything. No lice left behind. Now, this step is crucial. You don't just want to get rid of lice from your head, but also from your surroundings to make sure they don't come back. Wash bedding and clothes. Lice can live for about 24 hours without a host, so wash all bedding, clothes, hats, and towels in hot water. Make sure to dry them on high heat as well, because lice can't survive extreme heat. Vacuum your couches, carpets, and car seats, especially where your head may have rested. Soak combs and brushes in hot water, at least 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes to kill any lice or nits that might be clinging to them. Preventing future infestations. Now that your hair is lice-free, let's make sure it stays that way. Avoid sharing personal items. It might seem obvious, but remind everyone in the house not to share combs, hats, or pillows. Regular checks. Lice can spread quickly, so do regular head checks, especially if there's an outbreak at school or work. Essential oils. Using a few drops of essential oils like tea tree or eucalyptus in your regular shampoo has been shown to repel lice naturally, according to studies from the International Journal of Dermatology. And there you have it, everything you need to remove lice from hair permanently. The key is being thorough and consistent with your treatment. If you follow these steps, you'll get rid of lice and keep them away for good. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Leave a comment below if you have any other questions or tips for fighting lice, and I'll be sure to respond. Thanks for watching and stay lice-free.